I had a friend that was a machinist. He worked at a different company and he really enjoyed what he was doing. He sent me to his recruiter who ended up sending me here. Since I've been here, I've got a couple other of my friends here too. It's a good company. Being able to work with my hands and seeing the progress as I'm doing it, it makes me feel good. Creating something out of nothing, you actually have that part now. You're looking at it and you're like, I did this myself. It does make you feel good. My personal and professional growth is very important to me, and I feel like that's something that this job has helped me a lot with. They paid for my schooling. That's the reason I'm over in CNC department right now, is because I was in Stubby for so long that they told me, they're like, we want to try and get you to learn some new stuff. I don't try to just push it on my friends, but I do try to advocate. I have a lot of freedom. I love my job. If you're ever interested, try the trades.